Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Can We Fix It? And today is a little bit different. It's not actually getting in and doing things with our hands to fix something. We actually had a technical problem. I was trying to print a Sony E-mount rear lens cap for my new camera. Videos are in the channel, you can find them. And I had issues getting the printer to heat up. And I just printed something a couple days ago, so I didn't think anything had really happened to the printer, so I checked all my connections. All the connections checked out good. So then I started looking at, okay, maybe it's the file. So first I went down into my settings and I went to preheat for PLA just to see if the printer would heat up. Well, it heated up fine. So I knew it's probably nothing with the printer. Let me look a little bit more into the file I exported from Gumroad, and I couldn't really find anything wrong with the file. Everything looked good. So I pulled the SD card back out of the printer, put it into read, and bam, there's the error. Windows said my SD card had an error. I needed to repair it. So I went through the repair process just to see if it would work. I actually copied the file back down to the SD card and then put it back in the printer, and everything's printing fine now. So if you run into a problem where your printer's not heating up or it won't start right or anything like that, be sure to check your SD card and your file just to be sure you eliminate that, because that's not really what I expected the error to be. If the printer didn't heat up, I just figured it's got to be something with the printer, but wasn't the case at all. Everything's printing good now. That's fixed my problem, so check that for yourself. Thank you for watching. Hope this quick tip helps somebody out. Leave a comment. Let me know your experience if you experience anything like this. I don't know if it's really a good solution just to format those every once in a while. I'm going to look into that and see if I can come up with a recommendation for that. Or if you have a recommendation for that, please leave a comment and let me know. Thanks for watching. We will see you next time.